Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a video for which cannot be perfect today. So basically we're gonna test this product that was sent to me. Here you go, hope you can see it. I'm gonna put the link in the description down below. So basically I haven't driven my car in over 2 weeks and it's been very cold and I don't think the car is gonna start. So this is the perfect timing to try this guy out, okay? So we're gonna try this guy out. They sent it to me, so they told me to basically tell them what I think about it. Anyway guys, a lot of you guys who watch my channel have not subscribed. Boop, boop, boop. Hit the subscribe button down below. Put notification bell on so you don't miss any of my video. Without further ado, let's CarStomIt. All right guys, this is the product. I wanted to show it to you. So it's from AutoOne. I guess that's the manufacturer. This is a jump starter. The model number is JS05. Let's check out the box real quick. Nothing here. Here it says you can jump start. It's a power bank and it has a LED light. Nothing in here. And in the back, the capacity is 44.4 watt and it has a USB-A which is 3.0, has a 12 volt salvage, and it has a USB-A 5 volt and 2.1 and USB-C 5 volt 3 amp and a DC out 12 volt 12 to 16 volt. Here's the model number again guys, so you guys can look at it. Let's open it up real quick. Let's see what's in the box. All right, let's pop this guy out. Oh nice, it comes in a nice little handy pack. Oh cool, I like it. And it's my favorite color, it's blue. All right guys, let's see what's in there. Okay, so I think I opened it the wrong way, but anyway, let's start here guys. This is the little quick guide how to use the item. There you go. Basically the same thing, how to operate it, the power button, battery indicator, basically everything I talked about. And what's in the box, you have the jump starter, you have the cables, you have the USB charger, you have the carrying bag, and the little quick starter guide. And let's open it all the way up. There you go. It's showing you how to start the car. Just a little bit of a troubleshooting if something is not working. The little battery indicator right there, the jump start, how to do it properly, and it should have a protective things as well too. So there you go guys. And the other side, you have the more warning and the warranty card. That's pretty much it. Let's see what else is in there. Okay, right here guys, we have the cable, one connector, the negative and the positive. Very simple, nothing crazy. You have the USB-C, that's the USB charger for it. USB-C to USB 2 or 1. I mean, I'm sure USB-A, sorry, there you go. Here, the other side, we have the little jump pack. Let's see if it's charged. It got 3 bars. Let's see if this thing is going to be able to charge to start my car. But I'll tell you one way to find out. This is where you charge it. This is a DC output. It's fairly lightweight. So these are the LEDs right here, USB 1, USB 2, and this is where for the engine starts. So let's take these guys out. So there you go, you can see where we plug it in. So what I'm gonna do, we might as well plug this guy in because we're going to use it. I think it goes in only one way. Let me double check if it goes the other way, like for safety reason. Nope, perfect, only goes in one way guys. Plug it in. Here you go. It has 3 lights, 3 blue lights. Let's see if this is gonna be able to start my car. Guys, I forgot to show you the little LED. You just hold the power button down and then there you go. See, if you hold it down one more time, you press it down, it does flashing. There you go. Kind of like, I guess it's kind of strobing basically. One more time, it's a different mode. And one more time, it stays on. So there you go. And here's the lights I was referring to. You see the little blue lights? There's 4 of them total. And if you hold down the power a couple seconds and turn off the lights. So like I said, here it is guys. It works out pretty well. Oh, one more thing I need to show you. Okay guys, once you plug it in, you see that green light? That tells you basically it's ready. Okay, so that's great. And also this is it's a pretty good quality. It's like hard plastic, but it's like well built. And I do like that they can stagger the the lead. One is shorter, one is longer, which is good. I like that. The quality is hard plastic, but it's like nice on your hand, and it's well covered and protected so it doesn't touch anything. It's a nice firm grip, and it's not overly hard to press, you know. So this is it, guys. Here it tells you basically what the lights do. So if it's red, meaning you need to recharge it. If it's beeping, the red and the black clamp are short-circuited. Please reconnect them correctly. Right, and then this is for the light. You have blinking, bright, and flash. So here it is, guys. That's it. All right, guys, so this is my key. Look, I'm pressing the button, you don't hear nothing, so the car is completely dead. So we're gonna try with the key. We're gonna unlock it. Okay, and then we're gonna pop the hood. All right, guys, let's open this guy up. Let's connect everything and see if we'll be able to start the car. As you can hear, guys, the alarm went off, so that means it's powering the car. So now the moment of truth is really, let's see if the car's going to start. All right, let's give it a try now. It worked, guys. It worked. Guys, it is so cold. It's so cold. But anyways, as you can see, the car definitely did start, so I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. I'm gonna leave the battery connected for a little bit, and we'll take it out in maybe another 5 or 10 minutes. But what I like about it, what you do, you connect you connect the negative and the positive first, and then you plug in into the little jump pack, and then it gives it a good amount of juice to really start your car. I didn't think I was going to be able to start the car, but I was able to, which is cool, which is very nice, because I had other jump packs before that says they will, but once the battery is dead like that, you get nothing. But this one, A-okay in my book to me. I think that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna go wait for another 2 minutes or so, then I'm going to disconnect it, make sure the battery is charged. All right, so guys, this little jump pack can give you up to 50 different jump on a single charge, which is pretty amazing, I would say. It can hold a charge for basically up to 48 months, which is really nice, and it protects itself from anything that can happen to it, guys. I mean, I really like this little jump pack. So if you guys are interested, I will put the link in the description down below. So here it is. It's not heavy, but it has enough juice to start a diesel car. It can go up to 600 watt for this car. To start a car that's completely dead, I mean, guys, I think it's impressive. I'm not gonna lie, I really like it. If you are interested, again, I will put everything in the description down below. Let me know what you guys think. All right, once again, AutoOne, nice little unit. All right, so in closing, guys, I would say this is a good little product.